Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, exercise 8.2, question 2. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. In this question, there are 4 parts. Already we have done 2 parts. In this video, we will see the third part and the fourth part. So let's see the third part. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. Is it true when a is equal to? Okay. It is asked whether it is true or not. So sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. Okay, up to here only is your question. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a is true when a is. So that means a is actually what? Angle. So sine 2 times the angle, is it equal to 2 times sine a angle? Okay, so this is angle here. So 2 times the angle, whatever may be the angle. Here 2 sine a, whether it is true when a is equal to any of this option. So that means in a, we have to put first 0 degree, let's put and see whether both the side it becomes equal or no. If not, we have to try with 30. So wherever a is there, we have to put the 30 degree because a stands for angle. Okay. So this 30 degree angle we will put in the place of a and we will see whether both the side it is equal or not. If that is not coming, then we have to check with 45. If not 45, we have to check with 60 degree. So let's check first with the 0 degree. So let's write down here sine 2a, we are taking 0 degree. Okay, is equal to 2 sine a. Okay, sine a is what? 0 degree. So let's check now. So then if you multiply 2 into 0, this is multiplication, right? So 2 into 0 will give us sine 0 degree, because any 0 when you multiply with 2 you will get 0 only. I mean to say any with any number when you multiply 0 it will become 0. So then now 2 sine 0 here. So sine 0 degree value is what we have to see from the table. Okay, sine 0 degree value is 0. So 0. So this you have to understand. This is angle already. So a angle value we have taken from here. Whereas here 2 sine 0 degree means 2 sine 0 degree means that we have to check from the table. Okay, sine 0 degree is what is the value. Okay, this is sine 0 degree value. Here sine 2 times the angle value that we have put. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so now sine 0 degree value just now we saw. Sine 0 degree value is 0. So whole thing will become 0 equal to 2 multiply with 0, we will get 0. So now you see both the side equal sign has come. So both same it is. That means this is our correct answer. So that means our option is A. So then you can say when A is equal to 0 degree, that time this 2 becomes equal. Is it clear? Now if you want to check with 30, you can check it, because once first attempt only we have got the correct answer. But if at all you don't get correct answer, then you have to check with the second and third. Since we have already got the correct answer, we don't need to check now. But if you want to check, you can check it. Now let's see the fourth part of this sum. So this is our question. Options are given. As we have done the first, second part, same way we have to do it. Just put the value of this and then solve and find out the correct option. So let us write down 2 and tan 30. So for this chapter, you need to know by heart this trigonometry table. Better you learn it by heart, because if you prepare the table in the exam, lot of time will get wasted. So you learn 2-3 times, you write and learn, you will learn this table by heart. Okay. So now let us see what we have to see. Tan 30 degree value. So tan 30 degree. 30 degrees here. 1 upon root 3. So this is 1 upon root 3 is tan 30. Then here we have 1 minus tan 30 again, 1 upon root 3, and square is there, so square. So now let's solve now. So this, if you multiply, you will get 2 into 1, 2 upon root 3. Then you have 1 here minus square it is, so 1 square will be 1 and root 3 square. I told you root 3 when square means square you cancel means root also will go. So then we have only 3. So now again you see in denominator here nothing is there. So we want here also 3 because here we have 3, so we have to get it here also 3. For that what we will do, we consider that there is 1 is there here, and so both the side we will multiply with the this number only. So here both the side will multiply with 3. So now what we will do, 1 into, let's write down first this part, upon 1 into 3 will be 3, 1 into 3 will be 3, minus is there, then 1 upon 3. Okay, now you see denominator both the side we have 3, so now we can write it in common. 3 minus 1 will give us 2, and here denominator same, so 3. So now what we will do, the whole thing what is in denominator, we'll get it to this side, then it becomes into multiplication. Okay, so I'm just writing down here 2 upon root 3, and this whole thing we will get into this side, so becomes multiplication, and this we will write reciprocal. 3 will come up and 2 will come down. So that's how we do this. Okay, so now 2 can get cancel. So now what we have up 3 and down here we have root 3. So now whenever you get in denominator root 3, you have to rationalize them. Okay, rationalization means what is there in denominator, with same number you have to multiply both the side. So what we will do, rationalize. Okay, so rationalize means what is in denominator, with that same thing we have to multiply both the side. So root 3 and root 3. So now what we will get, this now you multiply, we will get 3 root 3, and root 3 here will give us square, and then 3 root 3, square is there, so square goes means root also will go, so we will get 3. So 3 gets cancelled, we are left with only root 3. Now option, you see what options are here, these are the options. So now we have to check whether this root 3 is on what option. Okay, so root 3, let us check in the trigonometric table. Cos 60 is how much? Okay, cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So that is not the correct answer. Sin 60, let us check. Sin 60 is how much? Root 3 upon 2. So that's also not correct answer. Tan 60, let us check. Tan 60 is root 3. So that means this is the correct answer, because root 3 we got here. So root 3 is actually what? Tan 60 degree value is root 3. So this is the correct answer, that is tan 60 degree. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and God bless you.